Toto tale.
Toto and the Raindrop race. Rain tapped gently on Toto's window. He leaned close, eyes sparkling. "This one's mine," he said, pointing at a drop sliding down the glass. "Go, Raindrop rocket." Momo picked another. "Mine's lightning splash." The raindrops wriggled and weaved. Then, swoosh! Lightning Splash reached the bottom first. "Again?" Toto groaned. "I keep losing." Momo laughed. "Let's race for real outside." They dashed into the rain, barefoot and wild. They leapt over puddles, slid in the mud, and raced through the trees. 3 rounds, 3 losses for Toto. By the end, he flopped onto the wet grass. "Why do I never win?" Momo sat beside him, grinning. "Maybe because you're too busy laughing." Toto blinked, then smiled wide. He was soaked, muddy, and happy. "You know what?" he said. "This might be the best race I've ever lost." They lay in the grass, listening to the last raindrops fall, not caring who won anymore.